While we find ourselves in a totally uncertain period where we withdraw into our confinement, all in the same situation, we wondered about the idea of diversity in the shows and how it appeared more and more present and essential to illustrate the women of today.
Aujourd'hui, la féminité a des facettes qui sont très différentes. Ça, c'est une collection qui
Today, femininity has very different facets. It's a collection that also thinks of new generations. It's good to keep and use codes that are part of the feminine spirit, but also to mix them in a new way. And that's why I also wanted to have a very diverse cast, which represents real women. Indeed, many designers are now putting forward different models of all ages and all shapes. The two who we were talking about a lot this last autumn-winter 2020-21 season are Paloma Elsesser and Jill Courtlev. Paloma Elsesser, born in London and raised in New York, already known in the beauty industry for having collaborated with MAC and Glossier, is committed to highlighting her curves and advocating differences on the catwalks. Just like Jill Courtlev, whom we have seen in several big shows, including Chanel in Paris. A dream come true for this 26-year-old from the Netherlands, who is the new cover girl for the latest Vogue Paris, perfectly representing the image of body positivity that we see more and more in the shows. Diversity is increasing in different sectors and also on the catwalks, with transgender and no-gender models, some from different origins and a variety of skin types and colours. Being inclusive has become one of the main topics of discussion and is the theme chosen by the sportsman Lewis Hamilton for his collection, created with Tommy Hilfiger and presented in London last February.
Well, it's all about inclusivity, and it's a unisex collection. We got it up to 75% sustainable, so it's the most sustainable collection that we have, and it's the most diverse. You're going to see people of different sizes and shapes and ages and ethnic backgrounds, so it's going to be great to see everyone being so included.
A way for the community and all levels to put societal changes back at the heart of fashion.